with What's up? Good morning. Let's see. Five. Boom. Don't think SPY is going to give me the swing trade that I wanted. Tis, tis, tis. Let's see. Boom. Good morning. At least we could sit here and say that we knew that SPY was going to go up. I guess we could say that. Let's get live for everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody. How'd you guys do yesterday? I didn't make my screen ginormous on this TikTok. What? I think they're just going to pump us to all-time highs before the market even opens. There we go. Go live. Let's see. Education. Boom. There we go. Now we live on TikTok. So I was looking for that swing trade on SPY. It's just it didn't give me the exact entry criteria that I like to look for. So this was my main setup for the week. We talked about it on Sunday. If you guys tapped into Sunday's video for the weekly watch list, I said the main thing that I was watching on SPY was for a pullback down to that daily 21 EMA because we had this squeeze that was forming on ES, right? So I was looking for that pullback down towards that daily 21 EMA, make it support to then look for a long entry. However, it didn't meet all of my swing trading criteria, unfortunately. So yeah, it looks like we're going to miss out on it unless today, maybe if we go up, tap all-time highs, pull back, and then early next week, SPY can pull back towards the daily 8 EMA or even daily 21 EMA. I'd be very interested in trying to swing there. But the daily squeeze, it could just fire up and start taking us higher on SPY. Which, if that's the case, that's okay. I actually really like a swing trade on the diamonds, the Dow. Just waiting for some more confirmation before we get into this. So pretty much looking for the same thing, maybe a quick little pop up. We come back down. We start building a base on this 21 EMA. Nice squeeze. We can look for it to fire up and take us into new all-time highs. So it's kind of what I'm hoping for on the diamonds if we can't get the SPY. Nope, only live inside of Team Bull throughout the day. But yeah, I mean, we're getting super, super close to all-time highs. I feel like they're probably just going to push it before market opens. It's not that far. Like 80 cents. So let's, no, not Alexa. Turn off. Thank you. But yeah, that's, what I think might end up happening. Anyway, so my bounce did end up hitting yesterday just a little later in the day. So earlier in the morning, I was watching closer to that 473, which was that trend line that we had right here. But came down, hit it later in the day down towards like 472.50 and then bounced. The first one, the New Age Technical Analysis, will teach you more about my swing trading strategy. But, alrighty, let's find some setups for today. I guess let's just go ahead and go to a clean chart. Delete everything. Start with SPY. So, all-time highs is 480. 479.98 if you want to be super specific, but I just rounded up. So, all right, 480 is going to be our all-time highs. If I'm looking for a bounce, we kind of already cleared that level a decent bit. So a really good one on ES earlier on the 1 hour right here. So if we could pull back without testing the all-time highs, I'd really like a bounce around like 477, give or take. Yesterday's high, pre-market resistance, and then we broke above it and haven't tested it yet. Plus, we had that 1 hour 21 EMA. So anywhere from the 1 hour 21 EMA down to this 477. So it could be like a 20-30 cent range for a bounce. Or if we really, really start pulling, say we do hit that top at 480 and it starts to really pull from there, we can take a fib. But I'd say the main thing is watch the reject up here, potential double top. I definitely feel like there's going to be sellers. Get bookmap pulled up. Oh, bookmap is already running. Cool. But yeah, we can watch that. Might take a futures trade. We'll see. Get trade of 8 pulled up on my phone just in case. All right, 1 second. Good old trade of 8. And I'm gonna have a trade of 8 tutorial coming out for you guys soon. Gotten a lot of people asking for that. Let's see. Do it later. Cool. All right. Got trade of 8 pulled up just in case we end up taking this. So, yeah, that's pretty much everything I'm watching for ES. Or not ES, SPY. 477 pullback. Double top 480. Crack 480. I mean, you got room after that. That's for sure. But, cool. All right, let's head on over to ES. Good morning. So, same thing, daily squeeze, hit the 21 EMA, hit the 61.8. A little bummed I didn't get that swing. But, yeah, same thing. Let's see what happens. SPY, all-time highs. ES hit the 52-week high. It looks like in the pre-market. Yeah, pretty close. If I'm going to look for a bounce, it's going to be down here. We have no supply. Do have a little nice 2-hour demand that's also at that area. So, I like this zone right here. Boom. Cool. So yeah, I'll watch that whole area for a potential bounce today if we get down there. Let's see, yes. So that's pretty much everything I'm watching there. Really not too much after that. Just do your analysis on both. And then just watch both throughout the trading day. That's how I do it. How can I get better at trading? Screen time and education. Good morning. And again, for everybody in the YouTube live stream, real quick, if you guys have it, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. And once we hit the like goal, you guys get a free watch list today. So again, just take 2 quick seconds, tap that like button. We got 140 people in here, 38 likes. That's everything on ES though. Let's do QQQ. I know that's that new 52-week highs. I don't have anything on QQQ till 417.7, which actually we're getting very close. Disregard. There's a good chance that we go up and hit it. But as far as a bounce, I'm going to watch that 1 hour 21 EMA. That's really the only area I have. Unless we get down towards like 413, that'd be the only other level I'm interested in. Delete all this. Cool. Cool. All right. So, yeah, 414.3 or wherever that 1 hour 21 EMA ends up being, or an uptrend entry. Could we reject up here? Of course, but I don't have reject levels. I have price targets to the upside, but I don't have reject levels. So I think our best bet's just to look for that uptrend. If the market starts to pull back and it starts to show signs of weakness, then maybe look for a downtrend entry, but we'll see. Let's also check the economic calendar real quick. See what we got today. Fed speaker 8:30, consumer sentiment 10, existing home sales 10, Fed speaker at 1, Fed speaker 4:15. So just Fed speakers today. Cool. Gotta make sure I see SPY on my other screen. There we go. Again, I'm gonna watch it at 480, see what happens if we reject up there on ES. So that's everything on QQQ. NQ. Gonna be the same exact thing. Bounce 1 hour 21 EMA, or actually hold up. Is that the previous all-time highs? Yes, right here. Boom. Yeah, so that on NQ, the 1 hour 21 EMA might line up with that previous 52-week high, which I actually like that. Cool. So around like that 17,165.25 is what I'll watch on NQ. Other than that, I'm just gonna have to rely on fibs. Extensions for price targets. Trading right at that 1618 right now. See if we break above that. Boom. Boom. Cool. That's all I have. What's up? Good morning. And again, make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that like button. Got 140 people in here, 70 likes. Only half of you have hit that like button. But, all right, we're right at that 1618. We clear the 1618. The next one I have is all the way up here. So it's got room. Alrighty. 802 gap fill. At 802 today? I don't see what you're talking about. But, all right, we did ES, NQ, QQQ, SPY. Take a quick look at SPX. So, my man coming back from the gym. I like it. 4,800 really is the area that I'm going to watch. Hopefully we can open above it, come down, make it support, and then make that high into SPX all-time highs. So we'll see with that. It's pretty much what I would watch for SPX. Let's see. Let's run through day trading watch list. Apple. Actually, might find its way onto the list today. I like that. Above 190.6, we got $1 to fill the daily gap to the upside. So let's put Apple on the list. AMD. It's probably just a misprint on your chart. That's why you want to do your analysis both on NQ and QQQ, because SPY and QQQ have a lot of misprints in the pre-market. Let's see, good old AMD. I mean, could continue to be strong. I definitely like Apple a lot more, but AMD doesn't look bad over that high. So potentially we'll put a question mark. That's AMD. Amazon had that breakout yesterday that we talked about. If the market's strong, I like that. I feel like it's going to be one of those days where I like a lot of stuff. Boeing don't care about. Coin don't care about. Costco. Still holding the Costco equity. That just broke out of this consolidation. Let's see. CRM. Don't care about. GLD. Don't care about. Google. Don't care about. IWM. Don't care about. Meta. That actually looks good. I'd like to see it come down and bounce like 377 down to like 376-ish, depending on where that 1 hour 21 EMA is. But that looks good. And real quick, everybody that's watching on TikTok, if you guys did not know, I'm also live on my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Over 850 plus free videos teaching you on how to trade live every single morning. Thank you for the subscribe. But yeah, live every single morning, tons of free education on the channel. So highly suggest heading on over to YouTube, typing in Brandon Trades, coming over and clicking that subscribe button as well as that bell icon. Get notified every single time a brand new video goes out. But yes, Brandon Trades on YouTube. Anyways, all right, I like Meta. If we get that pullback, Microsoft and Meta pretty much have the same exact setup. Let's see. Don't care about Netflix. NVIDIA could continue to run. I mean, it's got a lot of strength. It's still going. So, if you want to watch that for an uptrend entry, you can. Oh. All right. PayPal. Have a nice push in the pre-market. Don't really care about it. Shopify. Don't care about. SPX. We already looked at. Tesla. Doing Tesla things. Finally hit that 71 or 78.6 that we talked about. Let's see if it makes it support. It's got a nice daily on it. 24. Let's see what happens with Tesla. I don't mind that Tesla actually, since it's trading near a fib. So I like Apple, AMD, Amazon, Meta, and Tesla today. So a little more than I would like. We're gonna have to narrow this down to the top two. So we have a Fed speaker at 8:30. Let's wait until 8:30 rolls around. Give him like 5-10 minutes to see if he says anything that's going to affect the market. And then we'll go from there. So in the meantime, until 8:30, anybody got trading questions or stocks that I haven't looked at, type them up in the chat and we will take a look. Fibonacci extensions is what we have to use at all-time highs. It's the only way we can find levels. Avigo. I think somebody asked me about that yesterday. Pretty sure we looked at it. Avigo, rip it. We talked about like this little flag that it has forming. I just didn't really see like a good entry on it. But it's strong. It's gapping up in the pre-market. Could continue to run. But as far as like an actual entry, I personally don't see one. Let's see. Yep, I use extended hours. Just not a setup that I like on Netflix. Save, wouldn't touch it. From what I'm seeing, it's might go bankrupt or get bought out. It was just a retest of that trend line yesterday on SPY. A little trend line breakout that it had. Right there. That's why I said I was watching that 473, but it came down and hit it later in the day. Right there. So, kind of like that little wedge. 50 cents away from all-time highs. Isn't that crazy? All that bearish news that they kept talking about. Y'all remember that tweet I put out saying that SPY's going to 520? Do I gotta find it? Let's see if I can find it real quick. It was a while ago that I put it out. A while ago. I don't know how to search my tweets. There it is. The SPY bullish thesis. SPY to 520. This was put out what? October 4th. Saying that there was, as far as a good chance that we came down, we tested that monthly 21 EMA. Come on, where's it at? Why is it frozen on PSX? Are you just frozen in general and you don't want to play? Really? Whatever. Anyways, what I was saying, there was a good chance we came down, we tested the monthly 21 EMA on SPY, and then we made a support monthly squeeze fired up. It took us into 520. That was back in October. SPY 480 knocking on the door. Cool. Alrighty. Let's do this. What other stocks you guys say? It just depends on the setup, to be honest with you. I mean, if there is no fibs, then I'll look at something else. So sometimes there just won't be any fibs. If there are fibs, then that's what I would prefer to watch. Like right now, maybe we could get a fib if we top out right here, but the next fibs aren't valid, like if that were to be the top, until way down here. So that 1 hour 21 EMA is just closer. We're super extended from it. I'd prefer to watch it if it pulled back to it. So it's just knowing the setups that you like to trade and what to look for. Yep, the SMCI. That had a nice move. We talked about that weekly squeeze a while ago. Oh, and it tapped the 61.8 again, which we talked about yesterday, actually. So, I don't know if anybody caught that, but a nice move. Imagine if you caught options on that. That's crazy. I was looking at the contracts yesterday, too. And they were just mad expensive. Like, stupid expensive. That's why I didn't want to trade it. But just type in Fed rate hike futures and it should pop up with like St. Louis Fed, I believe. Hold on. Or no, my bad. CME Group. CME Group, yes. All right, what time is it? 8:28. I got a few swings on watch. Mainly today, I want to watch McDonald's. If it didn't push significantly overnight, maybe even a lot of for today, to be honest with you. Maybe the 295s just for like a shits and giggles type of trade. But I like it. The daily looks really good. I didn't want to swing it yesterday. Wanted a little more confirmation. Could miss out on it, but that's one stock that I'm watching for a swing. The other two that I really liked was TTWO. So this one I really like. Very nice daily squeeze. We're going to see if we can get something out of this. I'm definitely going to keep this one on my radar. And then APP, which has a weekly ascending triangle with a nice weekly squeeze. Plus, it had some buy signals on the stochastic. So I think there's at least a good chance it could test 45. But the thing is, we tested resistance once, twice, pretty much 3, 4. They're taking out all the sellers up there. So my thought process behind this was it's based off a weekly candle. So I want to wait until today's close to confirm if I want to enter it. But thought process is we crack 45 and this thing rips before earnings, which is 212. So, I mean, we got a few weeks until earnings. Just hopefully it doesn't get too far away because, like, if we shot up into 44.50, might not be too interested because, you know, if we were to deny 45, then that's only 50 cents of profit that we could get. I'd prefer it to be around like 42.50 to 43. That way, you know, we have a couple dollars that we can catch out of it with the $45 calls. And if anything, we could sell some at 45. So, it just depends on how this moves today. But those are my top 3 swing trades right now. But yeah. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. 170 people in here. And how many likes we got? 108. Tell you guys what, 150 likes, you guys get the watch list. So you guys need 42 more. Yes, denied the all-time highs. SPY still very, very close. What's going on with AMD? Big man. Oh, you make it sound like it was exploding right now. Or is that your way to trick me into pulling it up, huh? If it was, IQ level on a whole nother level. Most of my entries are based off 2-minute time frames. So it's the same with everything. I just use higher time frame analysis and then break it down to a smaller time frame to get entries. All right, we got the Fed speaker on. Let's give him a couple minutes to say whatever shenanigans he wants to say and see if the market reacts to it. And if not, then we finalize levels and then we go from there. What's up, Chuck? What's poppin', Chuck? All right, again, I like Apple, AMD, Amazon, Meta, Tesla. Those are my go-tos today. What a misprint on the SPY 825 candle. Just the daily squeeze. I might honestly watch it, like I said, for a lotto today. Because, I mean, 300, it's knocking on the door. It's been resistance over here, 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 here. So, we'll see what happens. I like it, though. I like it a lot. Just, if I want to do like a February dated expiration, then don't want to buy at the breakout. I prefer anywhere close to that 21. So, it is snowing hard outside. Well, let's start finalizing some levels. If he wants to say something, he can say something. So, yes, like I said, interested 1 hour 21 EMA to this previous resistance that we had yesterday at like 48.16, 48.17. Of course, that misprint went right into that 1 hour 21 EMA. So, whatever. Reject, all-time highs, price cracks for strength. Looking for more upside. Bounce 1 hour 21 EMA slash 477.10. My rules for lottos: risk everything. That's about it. Risk 100%, look to make 100%. Bounce 1 hour 21 EMA. Cool. All right, we got SPY, QQQ. As far as the individuals, I want to watch Apple with that daily gap. It's definitely something I would like to watch. Is that a misprint? Or did that actually happen? That's a misprint. I still like Meta. All right. We're going to definitely watch Apple today. Apple trading inside the gap. If it loses like that 188, I'm not going to be interested in it anymore. Then, I want to say that Amazon, because it broke out yesterday. Hit the 50%, broke the trend line, the little flag it was in. I'd say that's our best bet. I mean, Meta doesn't look bad either. If you want to keep Meta on the side, but I like Amazon the most. Personally. So let's put Amazon on the list. You guys like screenshots in Team Bull, so I'll give you screenshots today. Boom. Let's see, SPY, QQQ. Somebody tell that Fed speaker stocks only go up. Ooh. And then Amazon. Yeah, make sure you guys are hitting that like button if you want this watch list posted up in the chat. 4 more likes. That's all you need. Okay, there we go. Cool. You guys get the screenshots in Team Bull. Awesome. Cool. That's everything I'm watching today. Guess we're not going to get that futures trade. Not going to get the futures trade. It's okay. Cool. Alrighty. Guess I'll give you guys a watch list. You guys hit that 150. So, yeah, unless he says something crazy, I don't think too much is going to happen before market. But I'll look for futures trades. I'll let you guys know in Team Bull if I take one. But yeah. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your due diligence, use your proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. And if you're not subscribed, do that real quick. Take 2 seconds, hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you have those bell icons on so you are notified every single time I upload a brand new video or whenever I go live, because I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I'm starting to go live on Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern time and making that weekly watch list with you guys, looking over any stocks you guys want and overall just giving my analysis on the market going into the following week. Just like this week, I said the main thing to watch was SPY with that daily squeeze. Look for it to pull back towards the 21 EMA and then look for upside from there. So what happened? 21 EMA, boom, upside from there. So make sure you guys tap into all of that, because if you're not, you are missing out big time. Anyways, all right, here is SPY, QQQ, Apple. I appreciate you. And Amazon. But yeah, that's everything I'm watching today. Give you guys a couple minutes to screenshot it, write it down, whatever it is. But other than that, I think I'm good today. Nothing on Netflix that I like. Nothing on Netflix. No, thank you. Thank you. Cool. All right. Well, let's go wrap it up today, everybody. As always, I hope everybody has a blessed day. Hope everybody's able to make some money. And if you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in 10, 15 minutes. If you're not in Team Bull and you would like to join, take 2 seconds to fill out the wait list right here. And the next time that we open up spots in Team Bull, you'll get notified directly in your email. So that is the link right there. Here it is for everybody on TikTok. If you want to trade live with me and a bunch of other amazing traders, get using that link right there. But awesome. Everybody have a blessed day. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. And I will talk to you guys on Monday. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in 20 minutes. Peace.